Welcome to AccessDVD.info. This is AccessDVD version 2.0. If you're familiar with version 1, as you can see, we've made some major improvements to the user interface. We've added this ribbon control from Windows 7 at the top here, and we've added this information panel down at the bottom, which can be resized, and you can hide it and show it as you wish. And the biggest improvement we made in AccessDVD version 2 is its ability to download movie information and images for your movies from the internet. So let's look at that right now. We'll click Add Movie, and the two existing features for searching are still there. They're disabled right now. Search Backup Database and IMDb Plain Text File, still there from version 1. Now let's look at this new feature, which allows us to search online. We'll search for all 2010 movies. And there you go, 132 results in just a second. So very fast. Let's add A Nightmare on Elm Street 2010. And it was added. Here it is in the background. It's got all the information for it. Now it's asking if we want to download movie artwork. So we'll say yes. And it's going to go through all my movies here and try to download pictures for them. And it's done already. It downloaded an image for A Nightmare on Elm Street right there. And it looks like it downloaded an image for Due Date as well. So let's close that. There's our image for A Nightmare on Elm Street. And Due Date also has an image. And I have some additional images for Due Date as well. So I'm going to right click on it and click Choose Pictures and then select Images. And I have 3 Due Date images altogether. Click Open. This one right here at the bottom, that's the one that was downloaded. And these are the other 2 I got earlier on. So I'm going to move, I like this one that was downloaded best, so I'm going to move that up to the top so it's shown first. And these are new names right over here that AccessDVD is going to rename these names with. Let's click Rename Images. Yes, proceed. Successful. That's great. And we'll close this. Yes. I just said yes to let AccessDVD choose some, create some thumbnail images for use in thumbnails view, so not as much memory is going to be used, loading the full quality, full size image. So anyway, now let's right click on Due Date, click Details, and cycle through all the movies here, and they're all there. We have access to all 3 movies, all 3 movie images. And again, if you're familiar with version 1, this is the selected movie details window. And it has been improved substantially as well, as you can see. Looks very nice now. Let's close this, and let's look at Thumbnails View real quick. Click the View tab, and then Thumbnails View. And all of our movies should have an image, and they do. They're all there. And we've changed the look of this since version 1 to resemble the style of Windows 7 Explorer when you click on a movie or hover over it. So looks pretty good. Let's get out of Thumbnails View and back to Details View here. And let's look at the regular menu and toolbars for those of you that don't like the ribbon control, because I know some people don't. I was against it at first personally, but I got used to it. Now I love it. I think it's better than the menu and toolbar. So anyway, let's check that out. So we click the View tab again, and then Switch Menu System, and there is the regular menu and toolbars, which is what we had in version 1. We have updated this though. We didn't previously have any labels on our buttons on the toolbars, but we do now. So again, that makes it easier to use. We've also added this autocomplete feature. So, there you go, Despicable Me. It's a great movie. Clear the filters. Let's go back to the ribbon view, tools, options, and ribbon. There we go. There's our ribbon control. And one last thing I'll show you quickly is we can minimize the ribbon. This is a great thing that you can do to maximize space and show as many movies on the screen at once as you can. So F2 to clear the info window, and look at that. I mean, that's how you maximize your space right. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about AccessDVD, visit accessdvd.info. On behalf of Andercell and the creator of Access DVD, thank you for watching.